Supercharge your health. The power of increased vitamin C intake. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin vital for numerous bodily functions. While often associated with warding off the common cold, its benefits extend far beyond immune support. Increasing your vitamin C intake can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. This article delves into the myriad benefits, sources, and practical ways to incorporate more vitamin C into your daily life. The multifaceted benefits of vitamin C. Immune system enhancement. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system by stimulating the production and function of white blood cells, particularly lymphocytes and phagocytes, which are essential for fighting infections. 4. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Studies suggest that vitamin C may reduce the duration and severity of colds, though its efficacy in preventing them entirely is still debated. 6. Antioxidant powerhouse. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress. 7. This antioxidant activity contributes to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. It also helps regenerate other antioxidants, such as vitamin E, further enhancing its protective effects. 8. Collagen production and skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. 9. Adequate vitamin C intake promotes wound healing, reduces wrinkles, and improves skin texture. 10. It also protects the skin from sun damage by neutralizing free radicals generated by UV radiation. 11. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin C may contribute to cardiovascular health by improving blood vessel function, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis plaque buildup in arteries. 12. It can also help lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, further protecting against heart disease. 13. Iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods. 14. This is particularly beneficial for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets, who may have a higher risk of iron deficiency. 1617. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods along with iron-rich foods like spinach, or beans, is a great way to increase iron absorption. 18. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that vitamin C may play a role in protecting against cognitive decline and age-related memory loss. 19. Its antioxidant properties may help protect brain cells from damage. 20. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Because of its role as an antioxidant, and its other benefits, vitamin C may reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. 21. Sources of vitamin C. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are excellent sources of vitamin C. 22. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and 23 cranberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. 24. Tropical fruits. Guava, papaya, and kiwi are particularly high in vitamin C. 25. Vegetables. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and leafy greens are good sources of vitamin C. 26. Other sources. Tomatoes, potatoes, and cantaloupe also contain vitamin C. 27. Supplements. Vitamin C supplements are available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and powders. 28. Recommended daily intake and considerations. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C varies depending on age, sex, and individual needs. Generally, adults should aim for 75 to 90 mg of vitamin C per day. Smokers, pregnant women, and individuals with certain medical conditions may require higher doses. While vitamin C is water-soluble, excessive intake can lead to side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal cramps. 29. It is always important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking high doses of vitamin C supplements. Because vitamin C is water-soluble, it is not stored in the body, so regular intake is important. 30. Practical ways to increase vitamin C intake. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or a smoothie containing berries. Add sliced bell peppers or broccoli to salads and stir fries. Snack on fruits like kiwi or strawberries throughout the day. Include citrus fruits in your cooking, such as lemon juice in salad dressings or lime juice in marinades. 31. Consider taking a high-quality vitamin C supplement if you struggle to meet your daily requirements through diet alone. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables, as vitamin C can be lost during cooking. 32. Conclusion. Increasing your vitamin C intake is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health and well-being. From boosting your immune system and protecting against chronic diseases to promoting healthy skin and improving iron absorption, the benefits of vitamin C are undeniable. By incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet and considering supplementation when necessary, you can unlock the full potential of this essential vitamin and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs.